Okay, scouting the area. I see nothing in my vicinity. Wait, I think I saw something move. What the hell? I think I see an enemy target. He looks gorgeous. Oh wow. Look at that. That is worth it, baby. I think this guy has a big rocket launcher and he's gonna kill us all.